Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage Safari extensions easily. And here you will be see I will using my Safari browser. So how to manage extensions easily. I'll just tap on my iPhone settings and find Safari and just tap to inside the options. So just tap Safari and a little bit scroll down to find extensions. You will be see in general the second last option is extensions. Just tap on it and just tap for more extensions. So after you inside in more extensions, it will be go in App Store to download more extensions, and this is you will see the Safari extensions, and it will be app in purchases and it will be used. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.